Hi guys, this is Keith Johnson. So what we're going to do in this video, we're going to walk you through your application. This video is being recorded August 7th, 2019. So I'm going to get you started in the right direction, working on your Level Rewards application. So just follow along this video. If you have any questions, get back with me or your sponsor and we'll help you if you have any questions. So you're watching this video, you're going to come here and you're going to click the Apply Now button. You're going to hit Apply Now. It's going to jump you to your sponsor's application. Now, if you're being referred by me, it's going to say Megan Good 77. If you're responded by someone else, the username will be different. So you're going to put in your name. So we're going to fill that out. You're going to put in an email address. What can we do? Best Buy is my store at gmail.com. And then you're going to create a password and hit sign up. All right. Now, you're going to complete registration at the top. So if you're looking at complete registration, complete that. You're going to create a username. I don't know what your username is going to be. Maybe Best Buy 2019. Your first name, last name, address, city, state, zip, the country, your phone number, your date of birth. You can change that. How would you like to receive payments? You can say, I say Zelle, but you can pick any one of the four: PayPal, bank transfer, Amazon gift card, or Zelle. I choose Zelle. It's going to ask me for the password that is associated with my PayPal account. It's royalcrew77@gmail.com. It's going to ask me for the email address that is associated with my Zelle account. Again, it's royalcrew777@gmail.com. I'm going to click the boxes, understanding that only one person per household can do this, and I understand the terms and conditions, which are right here. I can click that and go through them, and once I understand it, click that checkbox, and then I'm going to hit the green button that says complete registration. So it's going to allow me to do that, complete registration, and it's going to take me to the deals. Your account was created successfully. You can start leveling up now. So everyone starts with 0 levels. You want to get up to 14 levels, 14 credits. So we're going to pick different offers on here that are easy, quick, and affordable. That's going to allow us to get to level 14, as I mentioned in my video in July. So I went ahead and I took the liberty to create this list of all the offers that I recommend you to do that will get you there. Now, first up is an offer called Experian. Experian is one of the leading credit reporting agencies in the country. It gives me 0.50 credits, and it's only $1. So in my notes, as you can see, I typed Experian, 0.50 credits, and $1. Now, what is missing from this list is the trial period, which I believe is 30 days. I would type in 30 days right here. The cancellation date, today is August 7th. So by September 7th, I would cancel. I would probably cancel around the 1st of September just to be safe. So I would write here September 1st. And then the contact information, it's going to tell me on their website. All I got to do is come down here to contact us. And it's going to give me their email address or phone number. What can we help you with? My Experian membership, here's their phone number right here and their hours of operation. So we're going to do Experian. So what you're going to do is you're going to come here to where it says Experian, click View Details. All right, and so you do need a debit card or credit card like I do. It cannot be prepaid. It has to be an actual bank. Again, bank card. It's only $1. And it says get your $1 credit reports and scores with enrollment Experian. Sign up for trial with a valid credit card. Now, this is a debit card, but I believe it will work the same. The guidelines, do not complete deal twice, no quick or immediate cancellations. The use of a prepaid app, virtual gift, or zero balance card to complete this deal is prohibited. Using a prohibited card to complete this deal may result in advertiser viewing the completion as unqualified, even if the card gets charged. So again, you want to use a debit or credit card. It says credit card, but debit card should work. So now that I understand that, I click View Details, I click Complete Deal, and it's going to jump me over to Experian, right? So it should take me to their main site. I can start for free for that $1 to test the card. and then it's going to redirect me to answer some questions about myself. I'm going to put in my name, current address, city, state, zip. Now I'm on Google Chrome, so it auto fills this out for me. I'm going to uncheck this in case I don't want to receive emails. What is the main reason I visited today? Checking my report for accuracy. Let's say that, and then submit and continue. And then it's going to take you to the next page, and then you're going to continue the application. Put in your social, 43065, and then boom, 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 boom. And then you're going to do all of this, your date of birth, July 7th, 1987. Create a username, a password, let's see, must have an uppercase, lowercase. All right. So, I mean, all this is just filling out information, guys. This is very simple. You see me do this live. Put in my credit card information. And you may have to type this in manually if you can't do it automatically. And then it's going to say it's $0. They're just going to bite down on the card for $1. And then you get that 0.50. So you're going to fill all this out, submit secure order, and it should take you to the place where you can check your credit score. You're going to leave this window open for 30 minutes. Once you get down and you submit secure order and you check your score, leave it open for about 30 minutes. So that'll give it time to go through the rest of the offer. So that'll give it time for you to get credit for that offer. Okay, after 30 minutes or so go by, you can exit out of here and move on and do the next offer. So the next offer that we recommend on my list is Hulu. Now, if you want to take a moment and pause this video, you can pause this video. These are all the offers that I recommend you to do to get to level 14 as of August 7, 2019. So Hulu would be the next one. You're going to come here. You get 2 credits if you do this offer, and it's only $5.99. I personally have Hulu on my TV, my 50-inch TV, and I access it through phone and computer. Click View Details. Sign up for Hulu. Enjoy the hottest shows, classic series, hit movies, original series, all in one place. Sign up for Hulu Plus. New subscribers can get it for $5.99. Canceling within the first 7 days will result in credit revoke. And that's updated as of July 1st, 2019. So as long as you're using a valid card and you sign up for it, it's a 30-day trial. So again, in my notes, I would write Hulu Plus, 2 credits if I do that survey. It's $6. The trial period is 30 days. So by September 7th, I would cancel or a little bit before, and then I would write down their contact number. So I would hit View Details, Complete Deal. It's going to redirect me to their official site, and then I'm going to click this green button that says sign up now. And Hulu Plus is really cool, guys. I recommend you do it. It's very simple. You get a lot of credit, and I think you may end up keeping it, but of course you can cancel all this stuff out if you like. Most popular one is the $5.99. That's with limited commercial breaks, maybe 90 seconds, 60 seconds of commercials, and then you're right back into the show or the movie. So you're going to hit select on that one. You're going to create your account, email, password, name, date of birth, gender, continue. Put in your card on the next page, I assume, and then you're done. Leave it open for about 30 minutes. So about 30 minutes, leave the window open. You should get credit. And you're done with both of these offers. Now, you can come to status at any time. You come to status, and it'll tell you how many credits you have right now. I have 25 credits. Well, this one doesn't show, but on my other account that I already have done, I think I'm up to 25 levels, 25 credits or what have you. But when you hit status up here, it'll tell you, your credits that you've accumulated thus far. And it can take up to 6 hours after doing the offer for your credits to actually post. So if you don't see it immediately, don't panic. You just want to make sure you check your email and you have all your receipts, because you'll get an email for everything that you shop online. You'll get an email confirmation. Now, I would say world winner, but this is not available in certain states. It's not available in Arkansas, which is my state, Connecticut, Delaware, Illinois, Louisiana, Maryland, Montana, South Carolina, South Dakota, and Tennessee. But if you live in any different state, then you can do this. Pay $10, play to win. I'm not going to recommend it on this video, but it is something that you can do if you don't live in those states. So it's important that you view details and you read what's required before you do it. The next one on my list that I did list was Postmates. Postmates gives you 2 credits, and it's about $5 and up because they allow you to order food. They deliver it to your doorstep. So what you would do is click View Details. It'll tell you new customers get $100 in delivery fee credits for your first 7 days. You can use Get Food to start your delivery. So you just want to make a note to yourself to do that, and it credits on your first order. You must be a brand new customer on your mobile or desktop. So then I would go to Postmates.com. I would type in my address right here and see what restaurants in my area deliver. So you may have to type it in. So I'm going to do that. And I'm going to go over here. This is, I think this is Sonic or Rally's. Rally's right here for $1.99 delivery. All right. So I'm going to look for it on here. I'm going to pick something that I want to do. Just go down here and see what I can deliver. So I will pick something that I can afford. 5-piece boneless wings is $4.45. I will probably click that one if I don't see the $1.99 Rally Burger. I choose which flavor, which sauce. If I want to add a sauce, I don't have to. And then, of course, this is one order, and I'm going to add it to cart. And then I'm just going to work my way through the application and then order my food. It'll deliver quickly, and then you get 2 credits for doing that offer. The next one is called Gamefly Movies. So then, of course, I'm going to exit out of this after a little while. Gamefly Movies is right here. To get to it, you'd have to come down to the bottom, click to view all deals, come to Gamefly Movies. You get 40 credits for doing that. Click View Details. You can rent a Blu-ray or DVD as they're released in stores. Start your free trial now. You must rent a movie or completion will be deemed fraudulent. New customers only, must be new to qualify. If you cancel during the trial period, we reserve the right to revoke the points. Offer may do a pre-authorization hold of a monthly fee to test that card is valid. So you make sure you have a little bit of money on the card to satisfy that pre-authorization hold. That means that they'll bite down on the card, it'll snatch money off, and it'll put it right back on the card. So if it's maybe $10 a month to do it, they'll snatch 10 off and put it back on the next day. I don't know how much it is. I'm just throwing out an example. So it says that they may do a pre-authorization hold. Okay. So I would recommend Gamefly. Do that one. Now, the video is almost over. So what you want to do is you want to just pause this video where I have my notes here. eVoice would be the next one I would do. Again, it's 0.85 credits. Click View Details. It's going to tell you what you need to do, how to complete it. You're going to land here, and you're going to start your free month. And you're going to work your way down. Fitme is the next one. Fitme is right here. You're going to click View Details and do that one. The next one is Identity Guard. Identity Guard is right here. 1.50 credits for doing that. It's a 30-day trial. The next one is Life Insurance, which is right here. The next one is Final Expense, which is right here. So you're just going to take this list and you're going to match it up. Movie VOD, I Can Read, Nielsen Rewards, Amora Coffee, Dental Services. Dental Services is, now this is Nielsen Rewards, Postmates, Gamefly Movies, Amora Coffee, I Can Read. Dental Services right here. So I recommend you guys, I got 20 seconds left. So you're going to do half the list right now, maybe 7 offers right now. And then in the morning, you're going to do the other 7. So if you have any questions, reach out to me or your sponsor. Take good notes like you see here. Pause the video, follow everything, and you should be good to go. Half now, half later.